Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome my dear students to the online session of mathematics, grade 4. Hope all of you are fine and doing regular studies at home. My dear student, our today's chapter is chapter 14. We will do the remaining questions of lesson 1, that is draw, points, lines and rays. Please open page number 878 about the lesson 1. Draw each figure. In our last lesson we learned how to draw line, how to draw line segment and how to draw array. Number 3, YB. YB is a line segment. We will draw a line segment. As you know that the definition of line segment is a line segment is a part of line between two endpoints. It has two endpoints. It's a line segment and the name is YB. You will write Y on one side and B on the other side. Number 4, LR. LR is a line. LR is the arrow is one side. It is a ray. See the definition. You know the definition that I explained you. A ray has one endpoint. It has one endpoint and direction arrow on the other side. LR is a ray. Number 4. Vocabulary check. For the remaining questions, choose the correct words to complete each sentence. Some words are given. With the help of these words, we will fill the blanks from question number 6 to 10. First word is endpoint, then line, after that line segment, next is point, and the last word is ray. Now come to number 6. A line segment is a part of a line between two endpoints. In the given blank we will write line segment. Number 7. The exact location represented by a dot is a point. The blank of number 7 is point. After that we have 8. A line is a figure that extends in opposite direction without ending. This is the definition of line. A line is a figure that extends in opposite direction without ending. The blank is line. Number 9. A ray has one end point. That you have seen in the question number 4. It was a ray and it has one end point. Next is 10. A dash extends in one direction without ending. A ray extends in one direction without ending. In the dash we will write ray. And now test practice number 11. Which is the correct way to represent a figure? You can see that there is a figure, arrow on both sides. If the arrow in both sides, this is a line. So correct answer is D. Y. Number D is the correct answer. WB. Circle this. This is the correct answer for number 11. In homework, you will do complete this page number 878 and also revise the previous work that you have done in the last week. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum.